Hey everybody, we have a really easy recipe today. Not very many ingredients, like that's what we like. Oatmeal, butterscotch, and then I'm adding some pecans in it, cookies. You don't have to have the nuts in it. I already had some just chopped up. I thought, well, why not put them in there? Because, Billy's nutty, so we got to do that.
Hey now.
First off, we're putting in 2 sticks of room temperature butter. And these are really room temperature. They are nice and soft. They're room temperature outside room, because I had them outside for a little bit. And a half a cup of just white granulated sugar. And 1 cup of brown sugar. Packed. Bam. So now we're going to mix all that up. We sure could use some rain around here.
It looks like it's trying.
It does, but who knows? It said rain yesterday too, but we didn't get any. But today, actually, it's getting cloudy and the wind's blowing really hard, so we might get some.
I'm up for vacation. Who's with me?
We're ready to go somewhere. It's probably been a month since we've been anywhere. We're ready to go.
Well, we've been lots of places around here.
Yeah, Ohio has a lot of things to see and do for free. Like I said in one of the other videos, if you like airplanes or service, Air Force, that kind of stuff, the Air Force Museum in Dayton, totally free. There's a lot to see too.
Except for the simulators. You got to pay to get on them.
Yeah, if you want to do something. They're $10 a piece if you buy 4 tickets.
And we did.
Billy had never done VR before, so put a VR on him. But it didn't scare you like some of them VRs. Woo, baby. If you've ever had one on.
Yep,
Oh.
it wasn't scary at all.
No, but I have had the scary ones on. Woo.
Only one that looked like you're running into something.
And that was nothing
Or
compared
crashing
to
into the moon.
Yeah. It was really cool. And then we went to Dogwood Pass, to the old town that we have down around here, Beaver, Ohio. That is $15 normally, and it was $20 because it was a special. Alright, I'm going to mix this up some more and then we'll be right back. Alright, I got all that cream together and now we're going to add 2 eggs, room temperature eggs. So there's a 1. And a 2. Mix that up a little bit. We're going to put in a teaspoon of vanilla. Or so. A little extra. For good measure. Because that's the good stuff. Alright. So now I have 1 3/4 cup of just all-purpose flour. And I can't find the Hudson cream anymore, guys. It's $20 a bag on Amazon. Ain't no way. My Walmart has the self-rising, but they do not have the regular. So I might have to try and check out another Walmart close. There's one in Chillicothe close, but the traffic there is terrible. They're doing construction, road construction. It's terrible. I will not go in there. Christmas time, oh man, you'll never get out. Because once you get back in there, you can't get back out. You're at everybody's mercy. So maybe hit Circleville or Portsmouth.
Or Lancaster.
Lancaster.
Or Logan.
We are talking farther away now. Hour and a half. All right, so I have a teaspoon of soda, baking soda, and a half a teaspoon of salt. But we like to go places like that and just do all kinds of running around. Because that's who we are.
Yeah, what she said.
We're runners. In the car.
Yeah. Not on foot.
Not unless something's chasing me. And then I could just lay down.
You might as well, because I'm going to outrun you.
You don't have to be fast, just faster than the other guy.
That's right. And I know I'm faster than you, so.
Listen, man. Yeah, I got 2 bad knees. Is that it?
But I probably don't have the stand money you got, so eventually you catch up to me and outrun me.
Ooh, there we go. So I'm pouring in half of the flour, soda, and salt. All right, so let's pour in the other half. And we're just going to mix it just until it's combined. Just a little. And then I have 3 cups of Quaker oats, and this is the old-fashioned, not the quick oats. And you could probably use quick oats, but these right here gives you a better texture than that. Because they're the thick kind.
She said texture.
Thick, like me.
That's how I like it.
So we're going to mix this up just a little bit.
Don't you wish your girlfriend was thick like mine?
I've corrupted him with songs.
Yes, she has. Rump me.
Alright, so now we're going to put in 1 bag of butterscotch chips. And I have, like I said, this is about a half a cup of pecans that I chopped up earlier. I'm just going to throw those in there.
Well, yeah, why not?
Why not? And why didn't you get a bigger bowl? Because
that's what you do.
That's what I do.
You wait. One day I'm going to come home with a big gigantic bowl and you're going to be like, what's too big?
I have a couple of them. I don't know.
Don't get them out.
Well, every once in a while. I just put one away, as a matter of fact. Why didn't I put it over here?
Right.
I'm sure I'm not the only one, am I, guys?
No.
These chips smell amazing. I love butterscotch.
Hi, my name's Butterscotch.
Butterscotch. I love. Now, if these were chocolate chip, no.
I'd be on it.
Yeah, these ones are mine. Like I said, normally I give them away or whatever we're going to do, but these ones, no.
They're not leaving the house, are they?
I'll be putting them in the freezer. I've never had them, with oatmeal like that before. But, oatmeal, chocolate chip, raisin. No, I do like that. So I'll probably like these.
Well, yeah.
I will love these.
I'm sure you will.
If I can get them all stirred up here.
Quite the conglomerate you have there, sister.
Woo-wee. My family's talking me into having just a little get-together. And I made belly smoked turkey, so I just froze what we didn't eat off of it. And I'm going to mix in some turkey stovetop and make like shredded sandwiches out of it with some turkey broth, making it. I could eat that right now. I could eat it right now. All right. I bought some of these. We'll see how we like them. I might save on my parchment paper, even though I reuse my parchment paper. Because I don't like wasting it, and it's good for a couple times anyway.
You'll be using that. Reusing it.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. We just washed these silicone mat. We got 3 of them for $4.99 on Amazon, guys. How cheap is that?
That's cheaper than parchment paper.
It is cheaper than buying a thing of parchment paper.
And you can keep reusing them.
Exactly. There was 2 this size and one's probably half that. All right. The oven is set at 350 degrees for, we're going to use 10 to 12 minutes, and then we'll be back. All right, guys. I am trying to talk Billy into doing the taste test at the end instead of me on these videos. So if you want to see that, because I can't get him on video anymore, let us know and you guys will decide. All right, so here we go for the taste test. Look at these, so yummy. They're not a smooth cookie because remember they got oatmeal in them. So let's try it. Chewy. See that? Oh, chewy center. So good. But I love butterscotch and oatmeal. This is what they look like. I got another batch right behind me I just took out.
I'm going to... Go ahead.
I did that one on parchment paper because I wanted to see if there was any difference. And it doesn't look like there is going to be any difference. And another question for you guys. How do you store your silicone mats? I've tried putting them like in a baggie, a large baggie, and they stick to the sides, of course. What kind of suggestions do you guys have? How do you store yours? Let me know.
What if you put parchment paper in between them?
Look at him. Maybe. And lay them flat somewhere.
And keep them laying flat.
Because if you wad them up and put them in a bag, then it sticks to it. And it's like hard to get out. And they got to be dry, so maybe I might try
Maybe we need a container to put them in.
I don't want to leave them out willy-nilly because they're silicone and they're sticky, kind of, you know. And any dust or anything flying around would stick to it.
Yeah, you don't want willy-nilly on it.
We don't want no willy-nilly. So, guys, give me some suggestions. And I know some of you will say, well, Billy's right. Parchment paper would be great. Because he's always right.
And I'm thinking that an ice cold glass of milk and some of them cookies would be real good.
See, he'll do that instead of on here.
Do you want me to come around and taste it?
Mm-hmm. You can taste this cookie that I just tore off of. Guys, let him know that you love it.
Watching somebody eat.
All right. Doing the taste. Oh, wow. That's... Look. Oh, my gosh. Oh. I guess he likes it. He put the whole thing in there. All right, guys. Well, you saw it. So, if you want more of that... he beat me. All right, guys.
I got her.
Like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and
Mr. Special.
Peace out, guys.
Later, Gator.